Did you know that spending just 120 minutes a week in nature can significantly improve your health and well-being? A groundbreaking study published in Nature Scientific Reports found that people who spent at least 2 hours per week in green spaces were far more likely to report better physical and mental health than those who didn't. Nature has a language of its own, one that speaks to our hearts, minds, and souls. Have you ever wondered why standing under a vast sky or walking through a forest feels so fulfilling? In this video, we'll explore how nature isn't just a backdrop to life, but a powerful source of aesthetic beauty, intellectual stimulation, mental clarity, and spiritual connection. Nature's beauty has been captivating humanity for generations. From the golden glow of a sunrise to the intricate design of a butterfly's wings, we are naturally drawn to its wonder. Scientists refer to this connection as biophilia, a term that describes our instinctive bond with the natural world. Think about how landscapes inspire art and design, from the flowing lines of Art Nouveau to the symmetry we replicate in architecture. When we connect with this beauty, it calms our minds and uplifts our spirits in ways nothing else can. Beyond its beauty, nature sparks curiosity and innovation. Many groundbreaking ideas have been born in its embrace. For instance, Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity while sitting under an apple tree, and Charles Darwin's study of plants and animals shaped the foundation of evolutionary biology. But the impact of nature isn't just intellectual. It profoundly influences how we think and feel every day. Did you know a simple walk in the park can sharpen your memory by 20%? Researchers attribute this to how nature reduces mental fatigue and promotes clarity. The next time you feel overwhelmed, try pausing and immersing yourself in the natural world. It could be the boost you need. From ancient traditions to modern mindfulness practices, nature has always been a sacred space for reflection and connection. In many cultures, forests, rivers, and mountains are seen as sacred spaces, symbols of the divine. Modern mindfulness practices echo this, encouraging people to ground themselves in nature to find inner peace. I once heard of someone who found clarity about a life decision simply by watching the waves of the ocean. The rhythm of nature mirrors the rhythm within us, helping us connect to something greater than ourselves. Let's not just admire nature from afar, step into it. Let it teach, restore, and inspire you. Don't forget to share your favorite nature moment in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, give it a like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.